step-by-step tutorial, remember to pause the video. How to integrate your virtual tour on your website? It's very simple. I will explain everything to you. Connect to the internet and go to Google Maps. Search for your establishment by its name and address. Scroll through the Google My Business listing to the photos. Then click on a 360-degree photograph. Browse the Street View tour to the desired entry point. Click on the 3 vertical dots to the right of the business name. Then click on Share or Embed the image. Click on Embed a map afterwards. Copy the HTML code by clicking here, or customize the size of the frame, iframe, with this menu. Choose custom size and customize the width and height of the frame. We recommend setting the width to 100% and the height to 650. Copy the HTML code here. Go to the editing interface of your website. In the HTML source code of your page, paste the code using the Ctrl+V keys at the desired location. Save and verify the result. Did you know that you can capture 4 times more attention from your visitors? To further enhance your old street view and promote your establishment, we recommend enriching it with an interface and multimedia information. Contact Visite 360 Pro, the specialist in enriched Google virtual tours.